Biju from Chavakad, Trichur. Sanjit was traveling with his wife in a motorbike, hacked to death by PFI goons. As per the autopsy, more than 36 wounds in his dead body. Sharp-edged weapons were used in this murder. Trained killers were behind this murder. Established the terror link of PFI behind this murder. Even though a civil police officer was the eyewitness in this case, the Kerala police couldn't act as per the law. They couldn't do anything. The murder was happened just minimum 2 kilometers away from the national highway. Police couldn't block the traffic, search the vehicles, can't even take the CCTV footages. Only after 7 days the police has released one photograph of the vehicle. Still Kerala police is groping in darkness. Same thing happened in Trichur also. This is not an accidental thing. The PFI activity is widening all over the state, deepening their roots in rural areas also with the help of the ruling dispensation. In Kerala, there is a hand in glove with PFI, CPM, secret understanding between CPM and PFI. In many local bodies, they are ruling together. In Palakkad itself, Shornur municipality is ruling by CPIM with the help of the PFI SDPI members. They are trying to divide the country, to divide the people, to destroy the national feelings, targeting our workers, leaders. But government is not acting anything, supporting them. Police is shielding them. Police is supporting them. The government is supporting them. The people lost their faith in Kerala police, so that we have approached the Honorable Home Minister yesterday. We discussed the matter with him. We briefed everything regarding the ground reality, how the PFI Muslim fundamentalist groups are working in Kerala with the help of, for vote bank politics, both LDF and UDF. They are not even ready to name the terror organization PFI. Threat is not against only BJP RSS. By the time of the Pala Bishop statement, immediately after the statement, hundreds of PFI goons rushed to Pala Bishop House with arms. Nobody was there to protect Pala Bishop and the Bishop House. Only BJP RSS workers gathered there and protected Pala Bishop and the Bishop House. Congress party and CPIM, both left and right, supporting the Muslim terror organizations in Kerala. This is a serious threat to the nation. That is why we are having campaign in Kerala against this PFI group, SDPI group, trying to divide the people in Kerala. You are aware that now the halal issue is coming up in Kerala. Suddenly in many cities, hundreds of halal hotels came up, trying to divide the people in the name of food, dress code. So slowly Kerala coming near to Syria. This is the general observation of the common man, peace-loving people in Kerala. So we conveyed our grievances. We discussed the matter with the Honorable HM Amit Shahji, Delhi yesterday. Cooperative society. Cooperative? We appeal to corporate This is the regarding. And one more thing regarding one more request we have made before Honorable Amit Shah ji. He is also holding the cooperative ministry with his hand. There is one huge controversial corruption case in Trichur, Karivannur Service Cooperative Bank. There is a PIL in Kerala High Court. More than 500 crore scam happened in the cooperative sector. The senior CPM leaders, including ministers, were behind the case. So we requested the Honorable Home Minister to take that case, to hand over that case to CBI. So that also we have requested yesterday while meeting Honorable Amit Shah ji.